Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X300 and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, hold the power button and the volume up, which brings up your boot options. And in here you want to swipe the top one, swipe right to power off, so like so, which turns off your device. And when your phone is off, you want to then hold these two buttons again, so power and volume up. Then we're going to hold them for a little bit longer this time. The device will start to boot up, keep on holding, and you will see Fastboot mode. Now, when you let go of these buttons, when you see this mode, sometimes what might happen is, just to demonstrate it, I'm going to press this, but I want to just stress this. This happens when you let go of both of these buttons instead. So it will accept the first option, like so. So start holding these two buttons again if you see that the Fastboot mode immediately vanished when you let go of these two buttons. So like I mentioned, when you let go of them, it sometimes confuses itself and reboots the device as though you're trying to leave this mode. Now, as long as you're in this mode, you will need to use the volume buttons to navigate up or down, and the power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And by default, whatever is selected is reboot, so that's why it sometimes leaves it. But if we select the recovery mode and confirm that, it would take us to the recovery mode. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the reboot actually, and press that, which like I mentioned before, this will now reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.